What is up everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up Brothers DCP 9270 CDN printer and download or install drivers. So first of all, open browser and then search here printer. Now click on official website and then select a window and click on OK. Now click on printer driver and here you can download your driver. After download your printer driver, then open your downloaded files and here you can install your printer driver. Now here you can see it will be installed. Now go back and open settings and then click on printer drivers. Now click on add printer and then click on add manually. Now follow these steps for add your printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.